Welcome to Best Choice. The best Bucky Neck Pillow is probably one of the most versatile travel accessories you can own, offering unparalleled comfort and support whether you're on a long-haul flight, a road trip, or simply trying to get some rest at home. Its unique design contours to your neck and head, providing a cozy embrace that helps you drift off to sleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed, making it an essential item for anyone who values a good night's sleep on the go. Number 5. MLVOC Travel Pillow Kit. Get everything you need for a comfortable journey in one package. This kit includes a neck pillow, a special eye mask, earplugs, and a convenient carry bag, all designed to help you rest. Unlike other pillows, this one is shaped to support your neck as you actually sleep, preventing your head from dropping forward or sideways. You can easily adjust the fit for perfect comfort. Made with high-quality memory foam, it provides lasting support throughout your trip. It quickly regains its shape after compression, making it ideal for packing and travel. The soft, breathable cover is sweat-resistant and machine-washable. This ensures you always have a clean and comfortable pillow for every journey. Perfect for long flights or drives, its contoured shape and adjustable fit are designed for extended use. It's an essential item for any long-haul travel. With its unique curved design and adjustable rope lock, it perfectly cradles your neck, relieving pain and preventing your head from falling. You can customize the fit to your exact needs. Enjoy maximum comfort with its breathable, soft cover and premium micropads. The sweat-resistant fabric and machine-washable pillowcase make it easy to keep fresh on the go. What we like? This offers a complete sleep solution right out of the box. If you're looking for an all-in-one package that includes everything you need for a restful journey without extra purchases, this is it. It's perfect for travelers who want convenience and to minimize their packing list. What people say. The memory foam is very comfortable and supportive. It is adjustable, so you can get a perfect fit. The pillow is lightweight and easy to pack. Number 4. Cabeau Evolution S3 Travel Pillow. Experience award-winning comfort and pain relief on your next journey. This pillow is designed to prevent neck pain and stiffness, ensuring you wake up refreshed. Our patented seat strap system attaches to any seat, preventing your head from falling forward. Enjoy deeper, uninterrupted sleep by maintaining proper spine alignment. Unlike traditional pillows, its ergonomic design supports all sleep positions. The adjustable clasp and raised wings cradle your head for maximum comfort, no matter how you sleep. This pillow compresses to a third of its size and comes with a carry case and luggage clip. Its washable cover and moisture-wicking fabric keep you cool and dry on the go. Crafted from high-grade plush memory foam, it offers both softness and support. The complete kit includes a washable cover, compression case, and easy instructions. Stay cool and comfortable with its high-performance, moisture-wicking fabric. It provides excellent breathability and a soft feel, perfect for any climate. Designed for a comfortable fit for most neck sizes, it features CertiPUR US certified memory foam. Enjoy certified quality and comfort on all your travels. What we like? This one is designed to keep your head perfectly still, no matter where you are. If you're tired of your head falling forward during travel and want to maintain proper spine alignment for uninterrupted sleep, you should consider this. It's ideal for long flights or car rides where staying put is crucial. What people say. The pillow is made of memory foam, which is very comfortable and supportive. The adjustable strap allows you to customize the fit for your neck. It is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. Number 3. Baxter Lumbar Pillow, Midnight. Experience ultimate comfort with our lumbar pillow, designed to provide support for everyone. Its 5 by 15-inch size is perfect for all. Crafted with a blend of cotton and polyester, this pillow offers durability and comfort. The removable cover is machine washable for easy care. Enjoy a dry and comfortable experience. The natural buckwheat hull filling allows for excellent air circulation, keeping you cool. Achieve your perfect level of comfort. You can easily adjust the buckwheat filling to perfectly contour to your body's needs. Discover more from Bucky. We offer a range of travel and personal care items designed for your well-being. Check out our other collections. Soothe tense muscles with adjustable support. The premium buckwheat filling provides customized relief exactly where you need it. What we like? This pillow offers a unique, natural way to support your lower back. If you need customizable lumbar support that conforms to your body and allows for air circulation to keep you cool and dry, this is a great choice. It's perfect for long periods of sitting, whether at a desk or during travel. What people say. The pillow is made of memory foam, which provides excellent support for the neck and head. The adjustable strap allows for a secure and customizable fit, preventing the pillow from slipping. The cover is soft and breathable, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Number 2. Bucky Unisex Heartwarmer Hot and Cold Therapy Pad, Red, Large. Experience comfort like never before with our generously sized therapy pad. Its large dimensions ensure it covers more area for maximum relief. Crafted with a soft blend of rayon, polyester, and cotton for the cover, and pure cotton for the liner. The filling is natural buckwheat. Simply remove the cover and liner for easy machine washing. This therapy pad is designed to perfectly contour to your body, providing instant, soothing relief. It's also hypoallergenic for sensitive users. Customize your experience by easily adjusting the filling. Simply unzip the cover and liner to add or remove buckwheat to achieve your ideal comfort level. Discover a world of comfort with Bucky's range of personal care products. From neck pillows to eye masks, find the perfect companion for relaxation and travel. What we like. This product provides targeted relief for aches and pains. If you're looking for a versatile way to soothe sore muscles or simply want to relax with gentle warmth or cooling, this is ideal. It's great for anyone who experiences localized discomfort and wants a natural, adaptable solution. What people say. The pillow is made of memory foam, which provides excellent support for the neck and head. The adjustable strap allows for a secure and customizable fit, ensuring the pillow stays in place during travel. The breathable fabric cover is soft and comfortable against the skin, making it ideal for long journeys. Number 1. Bucky 100% Buckwheat Pillow. Experience the comfort of our all-natural pillow, filled with US-grown buckwheat hulls. The cover is made from 100% natural cotton for a breathable feel. Say goodbye to aches and pains. This pillow is designed to provide relief for shoulder pain, muscle tension, headaches, backaches, and neck pain. Our bed pillow measures 23 by 16 inches, making it the ideal size to fit comfortably on your bed. Enjoy personalized comfort like never before. It naturally conforms to your body, and you can easily adjust the height and density by adding or removing hulls. Crafted with a 100% natural cotton cover and 100% buckwheat hull filling. For care, simply remove the cover and wash it in cold water, then tumble dry on low. Rest assured knowing this pillow is made with quality and care in the USA. What we like. This pillow is designed for a truly personalized sleep experience. If you want a pillow that naturally contours to your body, allowing you to adjust its height and firmness precisely to your liking, this is the one. It's perfect for those who struggle to find the right pillow for their bed and seek natural, adaptable comfort. What people say. The pillow is made of memory foam, which offers great support. It has an adjustable strap that allows you to customize the fit. The cover is removable and washable, making it easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.